Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into Bakkt crypto trading platform on your smartphone. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you are connected with the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in the browser, tap on the search bar and type in Bakkt Crypto Login. On the search results, you will see the official website of Bakkt.com. Just below that website, here you can see the login option, so you can directly tap on it. Now you will be prompted to the login page of the Bakkt crypto trading platform. So here you can see the email and password field. You can tap on this email field and enter your email, or tap on this password field and enter your password associated with your account. And once you enter your password, tap on this go button, and if it verifies your account, you will be successfully logged in with your account. So that's it. That's how you can log into Bakkt crypto trading platform on your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.